People ask me a lot of questions every time I tell my increasingly complicated life story. It always boils down to the same things, though, and I've already memorized what answers to give them. It's not always honest. Sometimes it's just what I think they want to hear. Where have you lived? Why all those places? What languages do you speak? What language do you think in? Where are you from? Where's your family from? What's your favorite place you've been? Is it hard to live like this? Where do you call home?
Who are you?
Wie ben jij?
Tu es qui? Wie sei?
Wie ga je?
Ben maar Kessa olad.
Where do I call home? I don't think I've answered that question honestly in a long time. Home is a transitional state. It's a label I slap on the place that I'm currently living in. Home is an old house in the Estonian countryside, and it's an apartment in Bishkek, and a house in Brussels, and a tiny dorm room in Nijmegen. They say home is where the heart is, right? And by now, my heart's been everywhere.
Hello, my name is Salome. I am from Georgia. My biggest dream since childhood was to come and visit Estonia, to the place where my grandmother was born and used to live. I think she would be so proud of me that I actually made this dream come true. I'm here now, willing to make more connections to my Estonian relatives and learn a language. I hope that one day I would be able to say that I'm Estonian. I want to call this place my homeland and feel free to express myself.
I was born in Estonia, but left as a teenager and lived in different countries on my own. I never thought that I would come back here. I had my life, my friends, my work, my studies abroad. Until one day, just basically walking on the street, I simply felt that it was time. It was time to go home. I didn't feel connected to the place, the city where I lived anymore, and getting to know people or visiting beautiful places, it was just not interesting. It's crazy how you can make up a plan for your life and think that you've made a decision and then just make a U-turn completely and come back all of a sudden. But it was one of the best decisions that I've ever made.